are pleased to show you the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: audio radio, touchscreen display, rear view camera, CarNet satellite communications, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, first aid kit, audio, speed sensitive volume control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.